Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. So today we will discuss about different cell organelles which are present in our cell. So it is the part 2 video of your cell structure and function chapter, which is the unit 3 of your plus 2 first year science biology syllabus. Let's start. At first, the cell membrane. Cell membrane supports and protects our cell. It is the outermost layer of your animal cell, and it is also present in plant cell. But in case of plant cell, cell wall is the outermost layer, and inner to cell wall, cell membrane is present. It is semi-permeable in nature and separate all the cell content from outermost environment and allows only selective substances to pass in and out of the cell. It is composed of phospholipid bilayer and proteins. Apart from phospholipid bilayer and proteins, many cholesterol molecules are there. Then carbohydrates are there in your cell membrane. So here is the structure of your cell membrane. Next, the cell wall. The cell wall is the most prominent part of plant cell structure because it is the outermost layer of the plant cell. It is absent in animal cell. The cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin. It is present exclusively in plant cell. It protects the plasma membrane and other cellular components, because in case of plant cell, the plasma membrane is present inner to the cell wall. The cell wall is also the outermost layer of plant cell. It is rigid and stiff structure surrounding the cell membrane. It protects and supports the cell and protects them from mechanical shock and injuries. Then cytoplasm. It is a thick, clear, jelly-like substance present inside the cell membrane. It is the liquid part of the cell in which all the cell organelles are suspended. It is the matrix of the cell. All the cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, mitochondria, ribosomes are suspended in the cytoplasm. Then the nucleus, the most important cell organelle, and it is regarded as the brain of the cell because it controls all the vital activities of the cell. Nucleus contains the hereditary material of the cell, the DNA. In chromosomes, it sends the cell to grow, mature, divide and die. The nucleus is surrounded by nuclear envelope that separates the DNA or chromosomes from the rest of the cell. Nucleus protects the DNA and the integral component of plant cell structure. So what are the different components of nucleus? Nucleolus is present in the nucleus. It is the site of ribosome synthesis. Ribosome is another cell organelle which helps in the protein synthesis. So that ribosomes are synthesized in this nucleus. Then nuclear membrane is the outermost layer of the nucleus. Then karyoplasm or nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm is the matrix part of the nucleus or the liquid part of the nucleus. Then chromosomes are present. Chromosomes play crucial role in determining the sex of an individual. Each human cell contains 23 pairs of chromosomes. Then endoplasmic reticulum. It is involved in transportation of substances throughout the cell. It plays important role in metabolism of carbohydrate, synthesis of lipids, steroids and proteins. So it is the structure of the endoplasmic reticulums. These endoplasmic reticulums are of two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum, one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum have ribosomes on their surface, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum lack ribosomes on their surface. Then Golgi bodies, these are the post office of the cell and involved in the transportation of material within the cell, so called as the post office of the cell. Then ribosomes are called as the protein factory of the cell because it is involved in the synthesis of proteins The proteins, they help in the synthesis or manufacture of the proteins. It has two subunits, one larger subunit, one smaller subunit. Prokaryotic cell have 70S type of ribosome and eukaryotic cell have 80S type of ribosomes. Then mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. It contains, it is called so because it produces adenosine triphosphate. It produces the energy, it supplies the energy. Why it is called as the powerhouse of the cell? Because the process of respiration where the food is broken down to produce energy is taking place inside the mitochondria, and inside that mitochondria, in the process of respiration, adenosine triphosphate is produced, ATP is produced, and they are the energy currency of the cell. The cell utilize those currency when they require energy. Generally when we buy things, we use currency to pay. Likewise, the cell also, when use or require the energy, they use the ATP because they are the energy currency of the cell. So it is the structure of mitochondria. It has two membrane, one outer membrane, one inner membrane. The infoldings of the inner membrane are called the cristae. Then they have a liquid parts also. The mitochondria, the liquid part of the mitochondria is called the matrix, mitochondrial matrix. Then lysosome. Lysosome protects the cell by engulfing the foreign bodies entering the cell and help in cells renewal. Therefore, they are known as the suicidal bag of the cell. Then chloroplast, it is the primary organelle for photosynthesis and present only in plant cell. It contains a special pigment called chlorophyll pigment, and that helps the plant in the process of photosynthesis because this pigment can capture the radiant energy of the sun. Then vacuole. Vacuoles store food, water and other waste material of the cell. The outermost layer of vacuole is called the tonoplast. Tonoplast is the outermost layer of the vacuole. It is the plant cell vacuole. Plant cell have a large central vacuole and animal cell have very small, and normally in plant cell vacuoles are absent in animal cell, but in plant cell it is large and present at the center. So these are all about your different types of cell organelles which are present in a typical animal cell or plant cell. In my next video I will upload some other important topic which are present in your biology syllabus. So please stay tuned and enjoy my videos like this, and please like it, share with your other friends and subscribe to my channel Sunanda's Tutorial. Thank you.